Hey guys, welcome back to another episode where I sit and I talk to you guys about your YouTube channels and then how to get your start, some of the best methods to get your information out there. But in this particular video, for those of you that actually care, I really want to talk about employment and a lot of mistakes that are made when it comes to YouTube. There are a lot of intellectual creators out there. And when I say intellectual creators, I'm talking about those that understand YouTube can go one of two ways. It can be an amazing platform where everybody can bubble up and make a lot of money from this platform. It is easy to do once you get the ball rolling. However, what goes up must come down at some given point in time, and you have to be prepared for when it comes down. It's amazing when it goes up. Because when it goes up, everything goes up. Your views go up, your subscribers are going up. You're becoming a brand, you're becoming a powerful voice in this social media community. You're getting deals left and right. It's an amazing look. You better save for a rainy day. But when or if you hit the ceiling and you start to come back down, what is your plan B? And what is your plan B more so if on your way up, you were not branding yourself beyond the platform? You were not grabbing up additional sponsors beyond the platform. You were not getting money on other platforms. So when you start coming down, what is your plan B? Because on your way up, that's going to take a while. I'm not talking about days or weeks or even months. Sometimes it's years. And when that money starts rolling in each month, a lot of us, myself included, we get to a point where we're like, well, I don't have to go to work. You see, I've already supplemented my annual income and I'm making more than what I would make had I gone to work. So why go to work at all? That's how a lot of creators feel. If you make X amount a month, X amount a month at your job, and now you're making that same amount or more on YouTube, some of us get to thinking we do not need to go back to work whatsoever. Why bother? We don't have to. We're making this big money on YouTube. Why bother? Let me tell you something. You don't know what tomorrow is going to bring. None of us do. We don't know when we go viral. We don't know when it becomes a daily upload thing that each and every upload hits hard and does amazing numbers and we get paid lovely for. We don't know when that happens. But when it happens, we do get to a point that we want to put our all into YouTube, into our YouTube videos. We don't need distractions such as going to work 9 to 5 or, 10 to 7 or an overnight thankless shift, because I remember working third shift. I remember working overnight. You get to a point where you don't want to do that anymore. You do not want to answer to somebody else anymore. You just want to answer to yourselves. And it's the greatest feeling on earth, let me tell you. When you get to that point and you make that decision that you just want to work for yourself and you don't want to have to set the alarm every single day to get up and get yourself together and head on off to a job that you hate, it's an amazing feeling when you no longer have to do that and the days now belong to you to focus on your dream. If being an influencer, a creator, an entertainer is your dream. Now, I'm not saying you're wrong for feeling this way. And I'm not saying that anybody who quit their job to chase their dream is wrong. Because trust me, I am one of those individuals. I am one of those people. October 25th, 2012 was the last day that I had a report to someone else. And every creator who was able to quit their job because of YouTube, many of us remember our last day of checking in to our previous job. And it's a glorious day. It's the best feeling in the world. You sit there and you say to yourself, finally, after all those years of breaking my back and getting pennies on the dollar, of making a corporation wealthy, and not more so even making, just playing my part to get somebody else paid lovely while I'm only getting X amount an hour or X amount a year. Now I can focus on me keeping that amount and paying my taxes as I'm supposed to, but keeping that amount for myself. That's my money. Now I am the boss. I am the manager. I am the district manager. I am the general manager. You see what I'm saying to you? The feeling of answering to yourself is a great and amazing feeling. But I do not want for you to quit your day job. If you don't plan on branching out, if you don't plan on taking the success, and I'm saying this because you are going to be successful. I don't care what anybody else on YouTube has to say to you. You are going to be successful. See, this is what you're going to tell yourself every single day. I am going to be successful. You're going to have that branded on your brain. You are not going to take no for an answer. You are going to get up, you're going to make it happen, and you're going to do this as often as humanly possible every single week. I need determination out of you. I need the hustle from up out of you. I need you to say that you got this and not look back on what anyone else is doing, what he's doing, what she's doing, what they're doing. I don't care. I need for you to be focused on you. You're the one that's important. You're the one that has to be able to tell your own success story. Do not depend on someone else to tell that success story for you. You're the one. So if by chance you want to quit your job and follow your dream of becoming an influencer here on YouTube, I need for you to lay out the blueprint of what your story is going to be. Because I do not want you quitting if all you're going to do is YouTube. You don't know what direction YouTube is going to go. You have no general idea. You may pop now and fizzle out later. And if by chance you fizzle out, I don't want you getting to that point of being depressed because of it. See, you won't be depressed if you have other things going on. So if by chance you plan on utilizing YouTube to get your name out there, to get your brand out there, and then you're going to go on to do other things and YouTube is going to be a part of that, well, now you really don't have time to do this, that, and the third and go to work. Because now you're doing more than just a job. You are creating a career, building your occupation as self-employed, and you don't have to worry about a regular 9 to 5. You have so much on the table. So if by chance you are going to quit your job for YouTube, please have a lot of things going on the table, multiple streams of revenue coming in on the table. So just in case something may happen to your YouTube career and it pops while you're up in the air, you have a parachute and you have a safety net below. That is the only time quitting makes sense. Outside of that, don't quit your day job. Do not leave something that it might not be a sure thing, but it's definitely paying the bills. Don't leave something that is taking care of you and your household to ride the wave of being unsure. See, the unsure wave, that is forever crashing. It's forever crashing. It's like Windows back in the days, forever crashing. Like an Xbox 360 with the red ring of death, forever crashing. I need you to be able to tell yourself, I am worth it. I am worth more. I have this under control. I am financially in a decent place. I may not be rich. I may not be wealthy, but I am comfortable. Everything else will come later. Trust and believe. Everything else will come later based on what you are willing to do to grow your brand. And as you begin to grow, yes, everybody's going to want a piece of you. So you're going to have to decide who you're going to give pieces of yourself to. Who are you going to represent along the way to secure that bag? Because there's bags out there that have to be secured, and there's a multitude of bags. I don't ever want you thinking you're too old to get started on this YouTube grind, or you don't have what it takes, or you're not funny enough, or you get scared, you get nervous. Guess what? Every single creator on this platform, in the beginning, they were unsure of what they were going to do. They did not come into this game with a plan. They felt scared, they were nervous, but they found their voice. I will always say in these videos how important it is to find your voice. That's exactly what you are going to do. You are not going to fail. You are not going to give up, but you're going to keep going forward. I told you I am your ghetto guide through this social media wave, baby. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. You get on the good ship, Lollipop, rock out with your main man Daym drops. It don't stop. You know what I got to give. Advice. I've been through the good, the bad, and the ugly of this whole entire situation. It's called social media. And it is massive. Not just YouTube, not just Twitch, not just Patreon. You see what I'm saying to you? There are options that are out there for you to embrace. Creating your own website, that needs to be part of your blueprint. Create your own website. And here's why. While you're sitting here growing on YouTube, like you're meant to do, like you are going to do, you're going to keep getting bigger, people need links to be able to purchase your merchandise. And everybody out there that's selling clothes, they're going to come to you. They're going to see how fast you are growing as an influencer. They are going to say to themselves, I can get money off of this person. No, what I want you to do is become that spoken brand for yourself. Figure out what company. Sometimes you have companies right where you live. Right where you live, and all they have is an Instagram page or a website. You can go to these companies direct, work out a deal for yourself, put out those clothes, those shirts, those jackets, those hats, bandanas, whatever, rubber bands around your wrist, whatever. Put them out on your website. Pay for them in advance because you ordered so many. That company is going to cut you a deal. Put them on your website and make that money back tenfold. Make that money back tenfold. But become your own business. Do not depend on someone else to create you as a business. To make money off of your name, off of your fame, that's what's going to happen. And if you don't care or you just don't pay attention, they're going to juice you, squeeze you out for everything, and YouTube's gonna drop you off, leaving you in a place of nowhere, discontent, dissolved as a human, broken down and bitter. Don't become that person. Plan for your future. But if by chance you are only riding the YouTube wave, do not quit your day job. Do not do that. You walk away when you have, say it with me, a parachute and a safety net. A parachute and a safety net. And that parachute, that's going to slow your fall. And that safety net is going to catch you when you get close to the ground. The parachute's going to land you safely anyway. But just in case something goes wrong with the parachute, at least, you know what I'm saying, that safety net, a little something, something. A little something, something. Probably won't soften the blow, but it's going to be a little something, something. This is your main man, Daym Drops. Of course, if you want to talk about anything, leave it in the comment section below. You know, I know you look at these videos, they don't get a lot of views. They're not supposed to get a lot of views because they're not a food. It's not food. It's not food related. YouTube reads my channel as a food related channel. So as the videos go up, as the titles go up, if it has nothing to do with food, YouTube's like, we ain't putting it out there. And they won't. But I don't care. It's whatever. It's whatever to your boy. I'll still drop a food review, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Who knows? It's coming. It's coming. But what's more important than food reviews right now is helping the individuals that either have been in the YouTube game for a long time and they feel stuck, or individuals that are interested in coming up off into this YouTube hustle and they need some guidance. So I'm here for you, and I'm here for that. Follow me on Instagram, official Daym Drops. Slide up into my DM, leave me some intel up over there. We can talk about some things. I'm gonna try to help you guys out. I have some things that are gonna be coming up, which is another reason that I'm doing these self-help motivation type videos. I have some things that are gonna be coming up live for the people. You know what I'm saying? Your boy's working. I'm forever working, forever hustling. You know what it is, man. Of course, follow me on my Facebook page as well, official Daym Drops over there. Daym Drops Entertainment. If you're on Facebook, just put in Daym Drops Entertainment. You know, we're 2.9 million strong over there, growing. I gotta drop some more fun videos over there, man. But you know what? This video is deep. It's probably over 15 minutes by now. Thanks for listening to this video. I hope at least one person was able to get something from this. And if you are that person, hit me up in the comment section below. Leave a like on this video. Let's get this intel out there because a lot of people need to hear it. Thanks for listening. It's your main man, Daym Drops. I'll see you next video.